Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a WordPress gig on Fiverr. First, log into your Fiverr account and navigate to the Selling section, then click Gigs and create a new gig. You'll start by defining your gig title, ensuring it clearly states your WordPress service. Next, select the most appropriate category and subcategory for WordPress development. Finally, add relevant search tags to help buyers find your gig easily. This initial setup is crucial for attracting potential clients. Now, let's dive into the details of your gig. Craft a comprehensive description that outlines exactly what your WordPress service entails, such as custom themes or plugin installations. Use bullet points to make it easy to read. Upload high-quality images or a video showcasing your best WordPress projects to visually impress potential buyers. Finally, set up your requirements section, asking for all necessary information from the buyer to begin the project smoothly. Next, you'll define your service packages. Fiverr allows you to offer 3 tiers: Basic, Standard, and Premium. For each package, clearly list the specific services included, the revision count, and the estimated delivery time. Consider offering add-ons like extra fast delivery or additional pages for an upcharge. Research similar WordPress gigs to set competitive prices, perhaps starting your basic package around $15 to attract initial clients. Before publishing, meticulously review every detail of your gig to ensure accuracy and professionalism. Once you're satisfied, hit that Publish Gig button. Don't stop there. Actively promote your new WordPress service across your social media channels and professional networks to reach a wider audience. Remember, the more visibility your gig has, the higher your chances of securing orders. Also, for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.